BMW M235 2015 N55 motor is ready right now. We did a complete build on this one. Following parts, we got the wall cover, pan gasket, and we already changed the brand new water pump on this one. And we changed the guides. Not on this, we got changed complete chain on this one with the secondary guide, tensioners, new thermostat on this one, and new another oil cooler guide on this one, oil pump guide. So if you guys do have any of the N55s and you want a complete rebuild with the BMW stuff, hit us up. We're happy to help you out. We have inventory specifically for N20s, B46, N58, N55, N52. That's what most of the timing chains and guides inventory stocked up with we have. Any of the BMWs, give us a call. On to the next car. So we are the only one in London which makes the customer to choose the OEM stuff or you want the German oil. Yes, we do have the both. 2017 Mazda 6, the customer got almost near to the 200 clicks and the transmission fluid was all black with the metal shavings and they're looking to change. And we give it two choices. Either they go with the OEM Ineos or they can go with the Fabi's ones. This is stuff we are the only one carry in London. You're not going to find on any other shop or dealership. For a Fabi oil, the German oil or the Japanese oil, you can give us a call. We do carry a larger inventory for Ineos and the Fabi oils. So we are the only one in London to get the Fabi oil. Not your favorite mechanic, not even have the Fabi ones. You can only get the Fabi at Mrik Auto. This is a German oil, local German oil. It gives a lasting at least for 150 clicks right on the transmission. If you guys do have any German car or any of the Japanese cars, we're happy to help you out. On to the next car. Finally, we got the block ready here. It's already painted. We put the high temper engine paint on it that stays almost for a couple of years. Block is ready. Head is already ready with all lapping and the resurfacing is done on that. Also, we're going to put the brand new pistons. That's a OEM. We're not using the aftermarket this time. These ones are specifically for a 2-liter turbo engine. So that's a OEM from VW. Piston rings, connecting rods, everything sits right there. And it's going to be probably ready by end of this week. If you guys do have any of the Audis, especially 2 liters, A4, A5, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. It's the same engine on the Tiguan's and the Jettas too. TFSI, TSI, no problem. We're happy to help you out. We'll make complete rebuild from top to bottom like this. And 1-year warranty. You can choose 1, 2, 3, whatever years you want to put it in. But this is a good investment rather than throwing it down for a new car. You're going to pay the same amount to get your car fixed. This is obviously a rare car. It's like 2008 A3 with a complete clean shell. So if you guys do have any of the cars sitting down in your garage from a long while and you're thinking to get it upgraded, give us a call. Mrik Auto going to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so the most common problem with a flu or cough, if you're having and you're getting the medication not worked out, check your car with a professional hands. So we got this beautiful 2016 Outback, have a clearly damaged cabin filter. Let me show you guys. So that's what the customer is breathing right now. So this is the engine filter and this is the cabin one. That's how it looks like. I'm sure you guys didn't even check yours. If you got problems for the flus or any of those bacterial problems, you must check your filters first. As Mrik Auto, we do a complete OEM. So this time we're going to put an OEM engine filter and the Subaru cabin filter. We don't play with outside when it comes to the Subarus. Any of the Subarus, if you want a complete OEM fluid, we do carry ED-Mistu. We have a wide range of the ED-Mistus and ENEOs. So you name it, we have it. We probably do all the services on the Subaru's OEM spec with the fluids. So if you're looking for the services, book your appointment. On to the next car. Okay, so right beside, we got this beautiful 2018 TLX. That's a 3.5 liter engine, same as the Pilot one. We did the timing belt, water pump, and thermostat on this one a couple of months ago. Now this car came in with a weird issue. The wheels are shaking too bad. So we check it out. It came eventually from the other shop. They tried to put some front end parts, but that wasn't the case. When we check it out, the three of the rims was bent and we fixing it. And also we're going to check what's wrong with the front end steering stuff, because that's what the customer advised us when they originally take to the other place before coming to us. If you guys do have any of the vibration in your car, we have a multiple ways to test it out to let you guys know what exact part you need to get replaced. Similar jobs, give us a call.